sticker haul. This one is all from Dek Designs / Plan2befab. I have quite a few. I have been nonstop ordering. I am so in love with these companies. They're mother-daughter companies and I just can't get enough, and I do have a code for them, and for Dek Designs it is Cricket20 for 20% off, but you can use my name for both companies for a foiled freebie, so that I'm going to get ready to show you here in a minute. I do not have these in any particular order, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started since I have so much, and let's go. First of all, I wanted to show you real quick that when you do get an order, you get like a little Cersei bow. I love these little bows. I think they're so precious and beautiful. And I like the size like this I use in my regular planner or in my hobo. I love them both. Or my TN. So, love those. Okay, so this one is the mystery kit. I'm on the subscription for the mystery kit, so I have no idea what it's going to look like, what it's going to be, and I think that's part of the excitement. But this right here I wanted to show you is one of the freebies. If you mention my name, but if you collect 3 of the same month in different colors, let us know and you will get a shop credit, and you're not going to want to miss that. So these are absolutely beautiful. Look at this. I mean, how gorgeous are these freebies? Just by mentioning my name, you get a foiled freebie. That's awesome. And then this was also a freebie this month. It's kind of like Father Day theme. And it has the sleep, the habit tracker, dad, heart, bows, etc. And then Boo Bear doing various things. And it does have foil on it as well. So you don't want to miss that. But this was the mystery kit, and I'm looking at it with you, so I have no idea what it looks like. But the mystery kit is for the Erin Condren vertical, and it's light. So look at this. Is this not beautiful? Look at that. And it has silver foil. So here are your full boxes and your quarter boxes. Your quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment boxes, sidebar, habit trackers, and more appointment boxes in decorative dots, excuse me. I'm gonna do it like this. Your full bow check boxes and your half bow check boxes, your bow flags, and your corner flags and bows, and all foiled. Your bottom washi, and your days of the week. Your headers, what to do, todays and littles, and it has work, errands, family time, workout, to buy, spending, to go, meals, and then your meal trackers and asterisks. And again, done in the foil. Your large flags, your glitter headers done in foil, your heart icons, movie marquee, planner desk, happy mail, and washi. Your half doilies, working girl, work and meeting and appointment boxes. And then beautiful deco. Look at that gorgeous deco. So pretty. Love it. And your weekend banner. And that's what you get. You get all of that in a mystery kit. And that's a subscription. So definitely want to go check that out. Okay, on to the next one. Another bow. And this one is from Plan2befab. So on this one, it's on the Etsy shop, and you can use my name to get a foil freebie like this. So see here, I've already got 2 different colored foil freebies. So there's the blue one, the green one, and then there's another freebie. And as you can see, it's still the dad theme because of June, but it's in a different colored foil and background. So that's pretty awesome. And then I got this was the freebie Friday. It was sand glamping, and it was free with a $15 minimum purchase required. It's a deluxe kit. It's 6 sheets. The skin tone was light, and the size was Erin Condren vertical. So here are your full boxes, and I love the double box. Isn't that pretty? And then your quarter boxes. Your half boxes, quarter boxes, decorative half boxes, appointment boxes, habit trackers, weekend banner, decorative dots, and sidebar. Your full bow check boxes in half, your bow flags and corner flags in bows. Look at that washi. Your bottom washi strips and washi strips here. Your days of the week. Your headers, food trackers, and asterisks. Oh, look at these beautiful flags, guys. Oh, I love them. Your glitter washi, your icons, marquee, wine, laundry, happy meal, and bed. And then that was the free kit. And then I bought this Firecracker Baby. It was 5 sheets. It's an Erin Condren vertical. I got the skin tone was light and the foiling was silver. Check this out. Is this not gorgeous? Look at that. Cannot wait to use this in July for my planner. Here are your full boxes that are absolutely adorable with your bow your bow quarter boxes, your half boxes, quarter boxes, sidebar, appointment boxes, habit trackers, and decorative dots. Your days of the week, your bottom washi, and I love these washi strips together. I'll definitely be using that as a box, and Boo Bear. And then your headers, also done in foils. Beautiful. So pretty. And that one was called Firecracker Baby. So there is 2 more. This is another Plan to Be Fab, and here's another little bow that I got. And I got this Hobo Time 2019, and it's foiled. Isn't that pretty? And then here's another freebie. When you say my name. And then I ordered these. It says feeling cute, might delete later. And they're in the silver foil. Hobo Time in the silver. No Drama Llama, which I definitely need in my life. She cute. Love her. Don't Look Back. That's Enough Todaying for Today. Definitely needed those. And then the last one is It's Way Too Peoply in Here. Love that too. And that one was from Plan2befab as well. Little bow. I should say this little bow. How cute is that? This is, again, another freebie. But see how your freebies can actually come the same color background, but you can get different colored foils. So far I really only have 2 colored backgrounds. I have the blue and I have the green. So, all right, so first thing, I'm just going to show you what they are. This right here is the silver bow. They're just single silver bows. And then the half boxes with the silver bows. Hump Day Happy Mail in silver. Then gold date dots. Bow scalloped half circle. You can do them either way. And they're in the gold. Then I got the foiled arrows, and this is done in the rose gold. I love these. I think they're cool. The foiled icons, and they're done in the rose gold. Perfect. Then another set of arrows, and they're done in the gold. Another set of half boxes, done with the rose gold. So here's the silver, and then there's the rose gold, and then there's the rose gold, and then the gold for those. Then bow dividers. Boo Bear cleaning or chores. This one's actually, it says chores. She cute. Boo Bear drinking coffee. Honey nap time. This is so stinking cute. Not today, Satan. Amen to that. Loving these. Taco Tuesdays. Woo woo. Love them. And then the Ray Dunn mugs. Smile, hugs, be kind, brilliant, be you, tea, hello, chill, and plan. Dance, travel, bless, savage, kisses, coffee, hustle, ugh, create. I won't go through them all, but everyone has something different. Very cool. Movie time. Your weather icons, which are a favorite of mine and my hobos. Planner desktop. It's a flat layout. Wish my desktop actually looked that cool, that clean actually, to be honest with you. Messy desktop, or wait, yeah, this says messy desktop. I would love for mine to look like this if it's messy. Love the little cup of coffee with the heart in it. The 2-page, and it's Disney themed. Here's your full boxes and your quarter boxes. This is full boxes, or a double box right here. This is Once Upon a Dream. And then the second page with your quarter boxes, bow box, half boxes, appointment boxes, and habit trackers and decorative dots. So there is that. And then here is a hobo kit. Oop, sorry, had it upside down. There's the days of the week, your 3-heart checklist, your bottom washies, some full boxes, flags, large and small, quarter box or appointment boxes, then your weather boxes, your 3-heart check boxes, your top washi, some more quarter boxes, and then some deco. So there's your 2-page hobo kit. Then some more bow boxes and bow clips. And then save the best for last, the poop, number 2. I love the faces on these. Those eyes, I cannot stand it. They're the most adorable eyes ever. Okay, guys, that is it for this round of DEK and Plan2befab. Go check them out. Don't forget you can use a code at DEK, and that's Cricket20 for 20% off, and use my name in the notes to seller for a freebie for your chance to get a credit in the shop. Also on Plan2befab, it's Etsy. Just use my name in the notes for your freebie, and I hope you have fun shopping. Check it all out. I have a bunch of goodies here. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Check out my Planner Nina _Cricket Facebook and on Instagram, so you know when these sales are happening, when my hauls are going up, when my Plan With Me's. Hit that bell so you'll be notified. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.